heart sounds. This is S3. Bump, ba-dump, bump, ba-dump, bump, ba-dump. I believe, I believe. S4. Ba-dump, bump, ba-dump, bump, ba-dump, bump. Believe me, believe me, believe me. Systolic murmur of aortic stenosis. Lup, shtup, lup, shtup, lup, shtup. With an S4. Kadup, shpa, kadup, shpa, kadup, shpa. Diastolic murmur of mitral stenosis. Lup, dup, bada, lup, bada, lup, bada. Diastolic murmur of aortic insufficiency. Lup, ba, lup, ba. Mitral regurgitation with an S3. Lup, sh, bada, lup, sh, bada, lup, sh, bada. S3s are found in heart failure, but also found in young individuals with a slow heart rate, such as lup, bada, lup, bada, lup, bada. S4s are heard in hypertension, bada, bop, bada, bop, bada, bop. Pericardial friction rub is three components: the atrial, ventricular systole, diastole. Three components.